Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out something super cool, the Boya Mini 2 wireless microphone. It's tiny, powerful, and claims to deliver studio-quality sound in a super compact size. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. So first, let's take a look at the box. On the side, we can already see some impressive specs. It weighs less than 5 grams, offers up to 40 decibels of noise cancellation, and promises crystal clear studio-quality audio. Not bad for something this small. Alright, time to unbox it. As soon as we open the box, the first thing we notice is this sleek Boya carrying case. Inside, we've got 2 microphones and a receiver neatly placed. There's another receiver on the side. This one's Type-C, so it works perfectly with both Android and iOS devices. We also get a Type-C charging cable, a quick start guide, a warranty card, and a few more documents. Plus, there's a small pouch so you can easily carry everything on the go. Now let's take a closer look at the main product. The case itself has a shiny finish. Looks premium, but yeah, it does attract a few fingerprints. At the bottom, we get a Type-C port and a little indicator light that blinks to show charging status. Open it up, and here they are. 2 super compact microphones sitting inside the case. We also get a Lightning receiver for iPhone users, and you can clearly see the Boya branding printed right on it. So in total, we're getting 2 microphones and 2 receivers, 1 Type-C and 1 Lightning. That means you can use it with any smartphone you have. Now, if we take a closer look at the microphones, on top there's a windshield cover to reduce background noise, and a clip system so you can attach it to your shirt or jacket easily. On the back, there are 2 magnetic dots for charging. There's also a tiny indicator light that blinks when it's not yet paired. On the side, there's a switch labeled NR, which controls the noise reduction feature. Both mics are identical. Same design, same functions, same performance. There's even a QR code at the back, which probably links to Boya app or manual. The receiver also has its own indicator light and a noise control switch, just like the mic. That's pretty much everything that comes inside the box. Simple, clean, and ready to use. Alright, now it's time to test it out. I've got 2 phones with me, 1 Android and 1 iPhone. Let's plug them in and see how they perform. Once connected, you'll see the light turn green, which means noise cancellation is active. If you press the button once, the light turns blue, meaning noise cancellation is off. Press and hold for 2 seconds. The mic turns off. Press and hold again. It turns back on. Pretty easy. On the receiver side, it's the same. Single press turns noise cancellation on. Double press mutes the mic. Double press again unmutes it. And that's it. Super simple, super intuitive. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, the controls work exactly the same way. Alright, first of all, we are going to attach this with our shirt, and just as simply, you can press here and it will open the mouth, and you just clip it here. So, the microphone is set, and now you are hearing the voice with the noise cancellation off, and you can hear some noise. Just because I have an air conditioner running above my head, and which has running wind, there's a wind coming, and you can hear the noise. If I press the noise cancellation button, now you can hear the voice with the active noise cancellation, and the noise quality is incredibly low as you can see. So that's the Boya Mini 2 wireless microphone. Small, stylish, and surprisingly powerful. With dual microphones, noise cancellation, and support for both Android and iOS, it's a perfect budget-friendly mic for vloggers, podcasters, and anyone who records on the go. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and gadget breakdowns just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.